Welcome to the It's Raining Crafts vlog. My name is Raina. You can find me on Instagram and Ravelry under SF Chick. You can also find me on Discord and Instagram under It's Raining Crafts. So today is Thursday, February 17th, 2022. Can you believe it? I know it's been a couple months since I've recorded. Life has been very busy. That's all that I have to say. And all for good, but I keep forgetting to record. So I apologize for that. But today I have for you some finished objects, a whip that I'm working on, and a bit of life stuff, I guess. Not I guess, but some life stuff. So, why don't we get started? I wanted to thank my mother for this box that I got, that she got me. Keeps all my finished objects in it. So when I'm ready to podcast, I can just open the box and show you. So on top is a sweater. I had 3 sweaters cast on last year. This is one of them. It is the Douglas cardigan by Andrea Mowry. It's still a whip. Has no sleeves yet. I gotta go online today and learn how to do the mattress stitch. But with her videos, it's very handy that she has links to them. So this is the first sweater that I completed this year. It was a whip from last year. This is the Harkin pullover by Kristen Hipsky. You can see this yarn over details right here. This is the colorway Royal by Gail's Art. She no longer dyes yarn. She's more in the painting acrylic stuff, which is fun. And so this is the bottom of the sweater. I used Yarn Cafe Creations in her strawberry shortcake spring minis. So all those are different characters in the book on the cartoon. So I'm very happy with it. And then I did the sleeves. I found my perfect sleeve length, guys. 96 rows. And then a bind off, because then it hits me right about here on my wrist. And so I used 2 of the minis for sleeves, and instead of 5 rows I did 10 rows, and then I think I did 5 rows for the purple band. But that's the Harkin pullover by Kristen Hipsky. The next project I have to show you is my Flicker and Flame hat. I got this yarn, my local yarn store, You and Me, down in York, Pennsylvania. These are the colors: Heart of the Witch and Swamp Monster. Swamp Monster is the lighter color, and Heart of the Witch is the darker color, and I just love it. It's so cute, and we're getting a cold snap, so maybe if I block it, I can wear it during this cold snap. And the last whip I have is my halibut hat. I'm noticing some loose stitches or some drop stitches in my hat right now. So ignore those. It has fish, halibut fish, and it's so pretty. And I love knitting color work. It's like an addiction. It's like what you know, stripes are boring. Color work is where it's at for me. But that's the halibut hat by Caitlin Hunter. And I have another hat. I just knitted it from stash. And it had a self-striping ball. I can't remember what the colorway was called, but I made this little hat. This little hat. Sorry, I'm trying to get used to my camera. So it's purples and it's blues and it's grays and it's yellows, and I love it. But all this is in the box to be blocked. And let's see what else. Oh, I have a whip to show you. My my aunt by marriage, Nancy, bought me a skein of yarn with a dog for Christmas, and I thought, wouldn't it be great if I knit her new granddaughter something out of it, putting in the note that her Nana picked it out, and that I created something with this yarn. So this is just, I'm not sure what it is. I think it's wool, I think it's acrylic. The tag is over there on my table. But it's peach and pink and white. And out of this, I'm doing the habitation throw. I'm at a crossroads with this because I don't know how big to make it. It's been 11 years since I've been pregnant, so I don't know how big to make it. I think I'll measure it from the center later today and see how far I can go. I don't want to use the whole skein of yarn. If you have any ideas on how big a baby blanket should be, reach out to me on social media, Instagram, Ravelry, or Discord, and or leave me a comment below, please, because my baby is 11 years old, and I have one younger than that, but she has 4 legs and meows. So I don't know, but I guess we will see. And this is in my Stitching the High Notes bag, lemon bag, by Joanna. Joanna, if you're watching, I love this bag. It's her sweater size bag, and it's perfect to put this big skein of yarn in, so I can knit on it for baby Charlotte. So other than that, I've been really struggling with my depression over the past couple months, I'm realizing that I'm more hard on myself than I am than I'm easy. And I'm trying to go easy on myself. Easy is my word for the year. Um, this is the Douglas cardigan. It's out of Lolo Did It, Baby Got Yak, and in the kit that I got from her. But I reached a point with this sweater where I messed it up so bad. I was for 2 days. I couldn't work on anything. It killed my mojo. But I have supportive friends and family members who reminded me that it's just a project, that I can put it away, and I can move on to another whip because I have lots of those in progress. They're upstairs. I have a sock on the table. I have the blanket. I have this sweater that's not completely done yet. I have another sweater, and then I have one that I want to cast on. I do not know which one yet. The Drea Renee Mix um, March to May sweater cowl is coming up. So I think that I'm going to do stripes or pink velvet. And I have sweater quantities for both, so I don't have to buy yarn. But we will see what happens when it happens. Everything else is good. Everyone is good. Kellen